Okay, so my daughter Marley, she wanted me to, I call her the Coppertop actually, but because she's a ginger, she wanted me to make a video of her, the build that we built together. Um, this is her, her unit. This is, got the Republic of Gamers sticker on it here because she likes to do gaming. I don't know if you can see that. I don't have the light on. But this is a pretty good case. This is the back of the case. It's got a nice MSI 1050 Ti graphics card in it. 650 watt power supply in it. These things can go RGB, but she likes blue, so that's how she's got it configured. She wants nice, cool blue look to it. It's got the blue lights around, the LEDs around the windows. The drives, all here. That's a drive, that's a drive, that's a drive, that's a drive, that's a drive. She's got a lot of drives, by the way. Just about each LED, yeah, about each LED represents a drive. We can tell. Here's a drive, here's a drive, this is a drive, that's a drive, that's a drive by, and then right down to the bottom there, each little blue square on the right side here marks a drive. So plenty of drives, some in RAID configuration, and well, she never sees the front hardly, but over here the front, you can see she's got one of those fancy touch fan controllers. And she wants all that blue, and her blue light, blue LED light indicator, and even the front of the case here, as you can see, is all blue. It's big blue, her big blue. She likes it. Anyway, that's our finished product, our finished unit, and she's very happy with it. She's thrilled with it, actually. She has NVMe, but I don't know if you can actually see that because the graphics card has that probably buried. Huge graphics card in this thing, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Pardon me. Right underneath the wheel, I don't know if you can see that. Just underneath it says Kingston. There's a graphics card underneath. I call it a wheel. That's funny. The underneath the fan, the cooler fan, just above the the other SATA card over top the graphics card, there's a Kingston A1000 NVMe stick there. Yeah, she's got 16 gigabytes of HyperX RAM in it, and yeah, we're big Kingston fans here. So HyperX, Kingston HyperX RAM, and Kingston NVMe. She has 3 operating systems, one for everyday use on Windows 8.1. One for gaming, which would be Windows 10, and one for learning, Linux. And all 3 of them boot well without hesitation or interruption. Sometimes there's a problem doing triple boot, but I managed to sort it out. So yeah, that's it. That's the whole shebang, the whole build. And she's even got some rather unique features, like this card here just over top the power supply. And yeah, she's got that serial port controller thingamabob too, where you see that USB cord stuck in there. That's actually what keeps the lights alive. So it has a little port there, a little header, I guess you could say, USB plug-in header there on the card, because it's an actual USB to PCI, the old style card. So she actually has USB 2.0 at the back of this machine via that card, which enables her to have a lot of connectivity, as well as USB 3.0, or I guess now that's 3.1. It's, you know, it's so hard to keep track of all the way they keep changing the names on this, okay? And she has so much stuff that I can't even keep track of all the stuff that I put in this for her, but it all works. It all works very well. And yeah, I don't think she needs much more. Oh, there's another unique feature to this unit. I'm going to have to turn this lamp on to really show you. But up here, right up here, this is a bay. And I don't know if you can see the connectors in here, but you can actually put a full-size 3.5 inch hard drive in there, connected external hard drive if you wish, and it's hot swappable. You can pull it out, and it's configured in the BIOS for hot swap, so I made sure that, you know, it really is hot swappable, or an SSD, you know, or a 2.5 inch hard drive could go in there, you know. But anyway, forgot the name of the case, but she loves it. She totally loves it. And yeah, it's a nice little unit. We rebuilt it because we had a little accident with the unit when we moved, and I repaired it, and some of the drives are not working in it. I guess it hit the floor a little hard. It didn't break anything in the case, surprisingly, but or, you know, the case itself, but some hard drives are damaged, and the cooler had to be replaced. So yeah, when we were moving, we had a little bit of an accident. So yeah, I made it up to her. I more than made it up to her. She's so pleased with this thing. So, and because she was so patient with me, of course, I gave her a huge 27-inch German import screen, and keyboard's down there, and it glows blue, and everything's blue because that's her theme, black and blue. So even her desk is blue. But that's what she wanted, so that's what she got, and that's what you get. That's the video. The Coppertop's lean, mean gamer machine. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.